Find A inverse for the matrix using adjoint of A. So matrix A is given. Okay. We have to find the A inverse. There may be another method to find A inverse, but the question says using adjoint of A. That means we need to find adjoint of A, this matrix first, then we have to find A inverse. That's what question says. Now solution. Okay. For finding adjoint of A, first we need to find cofactor matrix for this matrix. I have already explained how to find cofactor matrix for this matrix in a video. Okay. Here I will directly write cofactor matrix for this matrix, but I have explained that for the same matrix in a video. So that video comes on the top of the screen. If it won't come, just wait for a few minutes, close the video and check it, it will come. Okay. So now I will directly write the cofactor matrix. I will take C as cofactor matrix, C. Okay. 7, okay, -1, -1, -3, 1, 0, -3, 0, 1. Okay, this I have explained cofactor matrix. So as I said, check that video. Okay, now we got cofactor matrix. We know we can find adjoint of A. Adjoint of A is equal to what? Remember, we have cofactor matrix. Just the transpose of this matrix will be adjoint of A. Transpose means what? Rows will become columns, or first change rows into columns, or you can change columns into rows. Any one is okay. So that will become a transpose matrix. Now we need to write transpose of this matrix. That means row will become column. 7 -1 -1. This is a row. Okay. In this direction. So write this as column. I will write like this. 7 -1 -1. So this row became column. Similarly, take the second one. This one, -3 1 0. This is the row. I will write as column. -3 1 0. Now this row became column. Next, take this third one, -3 0 1. Write it as a column. -3 0 1. This row became column. So I have changed rows into columns. Now this is the transpose of the this is the transpose of this matrix. So transpose of cofactor matrix will be adjoint A. Okay, remember this. Now adjoint of A is this. This is the adjoint of A. Just 1 minute, I will check it. Yeah, this is correct. Now next step is we need to find determinant of A, this one. I will show in the back side of this board. Okay. So we have matrix A that is given 1 3 3 1 4 3 1 3 4. This is the given matrix. We need to find determinant. Determinant means, so this symbol is the determinant. This is determinant symbol. So determinant of A. For A I will take determinant like. Okay. Now how to take determinant for this? First write these elements. 1 3 3 1 3 3, next 1 4 3 1 4 3, next 1 3 4 1 3 4. Take the determinant. So these are the determinant symbol. Okay. Now we need to find determinant. This is 3 cross 3 determinant. 3 cross 3 means 3 rows, 3 columns. See, 1 2 3, 3 rows. 1 2 3, 3 columns. So 3 rows, 3 columns. 3 cross the determinant. Process to find determinant of 2 cross 2 is somewhat different when compared with this. So for this I will show how to find determinant. First take this element. Before that, remember here plus sign, here minus, here plus. Okay. Take this number along with this sign. So plus 1 I will take. Plus 1. Now this 1 is present in this column and this row. Assume this row and this column is not there. So which are left? 4 3 3 4. 4 3 3 4. So take determinant for this. Now close the bracket. Now take this 3 along with this sign minus. So minus 3 I will take. Open the bracket. Now 3 I have taken now. So 3 is present in this row. 3 is present in this column. Assume this row and this column is not there. We are left with this 1 3 1 4. Right here. 1 3 1 4. Take determinant. Okay. Close the bracket. Next this element you take. This one. Along with sign. Plus 3. Plus 3. Now. So this 3 is present in this row and this 3 is present in this column. Assume this row and this column is not there. We are left with 1 4 1 3. So right here 1 4 1 3. So take determinant. Close the bracket. Next write this plus 1 as it is. Open the bracket. Okay. Use square brackets for this. Okay. Now, so we have to find determinant. This is 2 cross 2 determinant. That means two rows, one row, second row. So 2 rows, 1 row, second column, 2 columns, 2 cross 2 determinant. This is also 2 cross 2 determinant. This is also 2 cross 2 determinant. So we need to find value of this 2 cross 2 determinant. For that, this is 2 cross 2 determinant. For this we can directly multiply this 4 into 4. Okay, put minus. Next this 3 into 3. 3 into 3. Okay, next this minus 3. Square brackets. Determinant we need to find. Like how we have done here. First these two. 1 into 4. Okay, next minus. Next these two. 1 into 3. Next this plus 3, close the bracket, plus 3, this square bracket, determinant finding. So like here 1 into 3 minus, next these two, 1 into 4. Okay, next this plus 1, simple 4 into 4 16 minus 3 into 3 9, this minus 3, this minus 3. Bracket 1 into 4 4, this minus 1 into 3 3, close the bracket, this bracket I have closed. Next plus 3, open the bracket, this bracket. So 1 into 3 3, this minus 1 into 4 4. Now this plus 1, simplification. 16 minus 9 is how much? This is 7. So this minus 3, 4 minus 3 is 1, plus 3 I am taking. So 3 minus 4 is minus 1. So bracket means multiplication. So plus 1 into 7, 7. Minus is there. Here minus, here just 1 means plus is there. Minus into plus minus. So 3 into 1, 3. Next here plus is there, here minus is there. Plus into minus, minus. So 3 into 1, 3. Now 7 minus 3 is 4. This minus 3 is equal to 4 minus 3 is 1. So determinant A is equal to 1. I will write here. Determinant A is equal to 1. Okay. So we got determinant of A is equal to 1. This you remember. Now using adjoint A and this determinant A, we can find A inverse. That I will show in the back side. Here I will show. See, for A inverse there is formula you have to remember. A inverse is equal to 1 by determinant A into adjoint of A. Now substitute, this 1 will be as it is. We got determinant A is 1. In the back side of board I have shown this is 1. So into adjoint of A is this. Write it here. 7 minus 3 minus 3 minus 1 1 0 minus 1 0 1 minus 1 0 1. Now 1 by 1 is 1 only. Okay, 1 by 1 1 only will get. So that 1 into this, anything multiply by 1 will get this only, same thing. So write the same thing here. 7 minus 3 minus 3 minus 1 1 0 minus 1 0 1. Okay, now this is the A inverse. So this is the final answer. Just 1 minute, I will verify. 7 minus 3 minus 3 minus 1 1 0 minus 1 0 1. Yes, this is the correct answer, required answer, A inverse. Thank you. Click on subscribe.